I bought this Passat a few days ago and I have power, but it looks like the factory key does not work and you cannot shift the car into gear. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. First, open that part up, and then right here with your fingers, just gently pry up. It does not require a lot of effort, and you guys will expose everything underneath. But if we go on this side, and you will see this yellow pin right here, right down here. So what you'll need to do is with one hand reach in there and push it in. With the other hand, push down and switch the gear. So push in on this, push the yellow clip in towards here. This is how you'll push it in, and then it'll go into gear. And with two hands, just like that, we are in gear. You could choose a gear, and in my case, I need the neutral so I could load this thing up on the trailer, and this is how you do it. That's it, guys. Super simple. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. See you guys in another one.